Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to locate public records in the state of Utah. So to get started, go to utahpublicrecords.com and I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on that or just type this into your browser. Now, on the front page here, you will notice an alphabetized list of different public record databases. So I'm not exactly sure what the purpose of your public record check is, but there are quite a few databases available here, and I'm sure you can find one or maybe even a few to help you with your research. We have also created specific pages that are more specialized. These would be more sought after record types. For example, background checks, criminal records, and then if you hover over other records, anything from court records to inmate search. So these would be more specialized pages, and I'll show you what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and select background check. So what you'll notice here is some of your first options would be statewide resources that are available. So anything from court records to criminal records to land records to warrants to prison records to the sex offender registry. So there's quite a few databases available statewide that you can use to do a background check. Another thing that you have available to you is we covered the most populous counties is certain databases you have available, but they're available at the county level. For example, if you are looking at prison records, you're not necessarily, this is the Department of Corrections. So these are people serving over a year typically in prison. Now, for jail information, you would have to go to the county level, so that would typically be the local sheriff's department, and that database is going to be completely different than the state database for prison records. So you have a couple of different options in terms of researching at the county level and then of course at the state level, so keep that in mind. Another thing to consider is there is a name search, and it's a search box on top of the page, and what this does is it doesn't just pull records from the state of Utah, it goes outside the state and pulls records from other states. So it kind of gives you like a nationwide look into somebody's background, and it pulls records from multiple databases, anything from court, property, criminal, financial information. There's quite a few. On top of that, there's also private databases like cell phone records, previous addresses, things like that. So with that said, you have quite a decent list here. It's an alphabetized list. You have specialized pages that you can use, and then of course you can also utilize the name search on top here. Come on down to utahpublicrecords.com and get started on your Utah public records research. Thank you.